I'm standing in front of a fake McDonald's in Kazakhstan, but I don't really know how I feel about it. You can see the building looks exactly the same on the outside and the inside. You order everything on a similar kiosk, and the menu items look the same, and even the marketing is oddly similar. But while it all looks the same, does it actually taste like McDonald's? And what is exactly going on here? This is or is it really McDonald's? Let's go in and find out. Right away, I went for the classics. I was looking for a Big Mac, but they have the Big Burger. The fries look exactly the same. We got a pie, classic Coca-Cola, we got a Happy Meal, and then we have some surprise items like this Deluxe Burger and potato wedges. And I was told you can only get this Deluxe Burger in Kazakhstan, so I'm so excited to try it. McDonald's entered Kazakhstan in 2016, but they left in 2023 due to supply chain issues with the war in Ukraine. So what's left over is a shell of McDonald's, and you can see that in the marketing. I'm guessing the is from I'm loving it. Everyone knows what McDonald's fries taste like, and they're very consistent, and these look exactly like McDonald's fries. I wouldn't be able to tell if these fries came from or McDonald's. But what's different is the sauce that you can choose to come with it. And I chose this garlic sauce. Now I've had a garlic sauce at McDonald's in Romania. I'm really curious how this one's gonna compare. It tastes kind of like a garlicky sour cream. I've never seen potato wedges at McDonald's, but since we're here, I'm gonna try it. They're classic potato wedges, and I love that you get the option to choose between these or fries. And we had to get the Coke too, because everyone says that McDonald's has the best Coca-Cola, and I'm curious if this is exactly the same. McDonald's Coca-Cola. Everyone knows McDonald's for the Big Mac, but the star here must be the Big Burger. The packaging looks a little bit different, but it is oddly similar. If you asked me anywhere else what this burger was, I would have said a Big Mac. It has the classic center bun piece. There's even Big Mac sauce, but they call it Big Burger sauce, cheese, 2 patties, and the sesame seed bun. But the test here is, does this taste like a Big Mac? The only thing is, this one might have the US beat for their Big Mac. It's good, and it's the little differences that matter. The cheese is better, the vegetables and pickles are fresher. This one's better. It answers the question, this does taste like McDonald's. And the Big Mac sauce tastes like Big Mac sauce, but I think they put more of the sauce on here, and I really like that. And we wanted to see how the Mini compares to the Happy Meal. It has a similar style box for kids. Let's see what's inside. Maybe a hand wipe, like a peach juice, classic French fries, chicken nuggets, and their toy. I'm most interested in chicken nuggets because how did they do it without the McDonald's supply chain? Initial reaction, they look like chicken nuggets, feels a little breadier, but they're close on the shapes. Tastes like chicken nuggets. It's exactly the same. I wouldn't be able to tell the difference. The flavor is the same, but the chicken might be a little bit juicier. We ordered a cheesy boom burger and they didn't have it, so they suggested we try this Deluxe Burger, only found in Kazakhstan, and I really hope that I like it. On the packaging, we see this 10th year anniversary, and that goes back to 2016 when McDonald's entered Kazakhstan. So it's interesting that they're celebrating 10 years when isn't 10 years old. Now I know they named the Big Mac Big Burger, but this is a big burger. There's even some parchment paper on here to hold the burger. So my first reaction is if McDonald's sold a Whopper, because this looks like Burger King. I guess we'll find out if this is really like a Whopper or a McDonald's burger. It's very similar to a Whopper, but there's a small difference, and I think it's the sauce. Whoppers usually have a little bit more mayonnaise, and this one's a little bit lighter on the sauce, so maybe that's the difference. But I like how this patty is layered with a bottom and top layer of cheese, and that could be the McDonald's edge. We wanted to try a McFlurry or one of the desserts, and they have more sundaes than the McFlurry, so maybe we'll have to come back for that. So we opted for the fried pie, and this is a forest berry fried pie. It has 2 small pies in there. The smaller pies might be a win to give you more of the crispy edges. It's crispy and really stuffed with berries and cream. The berries are very flavorful, and I'd get this again. So this isn't really a fake McDonald's, and it makes me wonder, will I'm stay, or will McDonald's come back and take over? Everything about this still feels like McDonald's. It looks like McDonald's, it tastes like McDonald's, the items are so similar. So to me, this is basically McDonald's. But for now, I'm loving it at I'm Kazakhstan's fake McDonald's, and we'll see you in the next video.